friends, welcome back. Today I have something very interesting for you guys. So are you interested to know? Yes friends, I am talking about crypto trades. Crypto trades, empowering lives. Friends, the official website of crypto trades is www.cryptotrades.com. Crypto trades is a multifunction platform which is leading in the market where you can invest your money and expect high returns. Crypto trades is a unique service that allows individuals to access loans and many other things. The mission of crypto trades is to build the capacity and capability and credibility of distribution channels. They also aim to provide education to the business partners and employ them to improve their potential. Come on friends, let's move on to the vision of the company. That is the most essential part because by that we are able to figure out where companies see itself in next 10 years. They aim to give you an opportunity to become a part of global financial revolution in the world. So friends, let's move forward. Knowing all these specs, I know you can't resist yourself and wanna know about the plan as soon as possible. You can register yourself here for free. On sign up, you get $50 as a sign up bonus. Minimum investment you can do here is $10 and the maximum goes till $10,000. Daily you get 3% of your invested amount till 75 working days. Come on friends, let's move on to types of income. The company has main 3 types of income: daily cashback income, daily ROI income, and of course daily reward income. Daily ROI income goes from first level to 10 level. On first level you get 5%, on second level you get 4%, on third level you get 3%, on fourth level you get 2%, on fifth level you get 1%, and from 6th to 10th level you get 1% as an ROI income. So friends, let's move on to next income, daily reward income. When your business is of $1,500, you earn $70 as a reward. Similarly, when your amount is $3,000, you get the reward of $140. Similarly, it goes till last. When you give the business of $1,50,000, you receive $12,000 as a reward. Friends, let's talk about the terms and conditions of the company. There are certain terms and conditions of the company which everyone has to follow. Minimum withdrawal amount is $10. You can make a daily withdrawal. After you get the profit of 220%, you can re-top up your ID. Friends, you get $50 as a sign-up bonus. Withdrawal daily with $100 top-up. The reward qualification is 40% from the leg and 60% from another's leg. For every level referral, there is one direct needed in compulsion. Thank you friends. I hope you liked the video and have understood the plan. If you still want the further details, you can contact on the number flashed on the screen. And the number is also mentioned on the description box. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.